The European Union Advanced International Administrative Cooperation Community, or AIAC community, was created to support and promote the use of instruments of advanced international administrative cooperation, AIAC. The EU legal framework is constantly developing, expanding the set of instruments for cooperation against tax avoidance, tax evasion, and tax fraud. The main AIAC instruments are currently simultaneous controls, joint audits, and presence in administrative offices and participation in administrative enquiries. Member states have also the possibility to discuss their issues or cases during a selection meeting, allowing them to choose the most appropriate AIAC instrument for the specific case. Multilateral controls, or MLC, can be simultaneous controls or joint audits, performed in a coordinated manner by at least 2 member states. In the case of simultaneous controls, the companies concerned in the respective member state are audited simultaneously by the respective member state auditors. While, in joint audits, the domestic auditors act in a pre-agreed and coordinated manner, and in accordance with laws and procedural requirements of the member state where the activities take place. The presence in administrative office, or PAOE, implies presence of one or more officials of the state requesting information in the offices or in an official investigation of the requested state. MLC or PAOE are appropriate in more complex cases involving international activity, where information and/or action from a different tax or customs administration is needed. The use of these AIAC instruments requires centralized coordination in order to ensure the proper implementation of the procedures envisaged and the necessary support to the officials involved. This is why the EU AIAC community has been created with support of the European Commission and the Fiscalis program, and each member state has appointed AIAC coordinators, ACC, and national AIAC coordinators, NAC. AIAC coordinators assume the organizational and administrative tasks within the framework of international cooperation, while national AIAC coordinators are involved in the cases and assist the officials from the technical point of view. AIAC activities bring faster and more comprehensive results in the course of the domestic proceedings. They are highly motivating for the people involved, who meet and network with colleagues from other member states facing similar problems. How about the financial results? In the past 3 years, AIAC activities led to an additional assessment of over €4.7 billion in DT, VAT, and excise. Impressive, isn't it? What about funding? The European Commission is a major supporter of administrative cooperation between member states, particularly with regards to the AIAC activities. The Fiscalis program, which is an EU cooperation program, provides funding for collaboration activities in the area of taxation, including MLCs and PAOEs. Impressive results have been achieved thanks to the excellent cooperation of all parties involved. It sounds great. It seems there may be advantages for all stakeholders involved.